Hi everybody, welcome back. So today I'm kind of excited, but about doing this like quick look tutorial. It's not really a tutorial, I'm not a makeup artist, but I just want to give people an idea of how you can put together a quick look. I was inspired by Asia Dong or Asia Dang. I'm not sure how to say her name, but I will link that video that inspired me below. So I'm sick right now and my nose is running and I did not want to put on a full face of makeup. So I've been sick for like 3 days now. I'm getting over being sick, but I was like, I don't every day. First of all, I don't wear makeup every day, but when I did, I wanted to wear makeup and I was like, I want to try this out. And I was like, I don't want to put on a full face because I keep wiping my nose. So what do people do when like their nose is like running all the time and they keep wiping it and you don't want like that, your foundation to obviously be very obviously gone and you have like that red right here. And I was like, I want to cover it up. I mean, I'm sick. I make it known I'm sick. So then I was like, yeah, I saw her video and I was like, you know what a great idea. I go, I'll actually do that for my sick days. I'm not using the stuff she used. I don't have it. I'm just using what I have. And I was like, I'm going to go for like this super duper, like, look, give me a second. I need to blow my nose. All right. See, I keep wiping my nose because, yeah. Girl is sick. Reminder to drink water. Hydration is key. Okay. So I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 things that I'm going to put on my face. Let me get my mascara. 8 things. I'm going to show you how fast, how quick this is, and then I will show you the products after, okay? I'm already moisturized, by the way, but all right. Ready? Kind of want to time myself, see how fast this takes me, kind of like what she did. So I'm going to use my little Fitbit timer. And let's see how fast this takes me. Go. If I know how to use this timer. Oh, there you go. All right. Let's go. And there you go. All right. All right. So probably going to, speed that up. But here's the overall look. Super simple. Just gives me a little bit of color without, without being, let me brush my eyebrows. I haven't got them done for like ever. So if you're like a super hairy person like me, it's noticeable, but I love the shape of my eyebrows, so not to worry on that. Super simple look. And so yeah, so there. Just wanted to show you that. Now I'll show you all the products. It literally took me It took me 6 minutes and 37 seconds. You see right there on the time. You see? There you go. If you could. Okay. So it took me 6 minutes and 37 seconds. I'm sure I could get that down to under 5 minutes. She was able to do it in 3. I'm sure if I didn't have a camera rolling and I had to just get everything on, it could definitely be done in 3 minutes. Yeah. So it's a super quick look. I mean, I love the way it looks because it just gives me like that, like refreshing look. So let me tell you all the products I used. So I used this. Now, I moisturized my face with this earlier. So I don't know if I need to use this. I just bought it and I wanted to like give myself a more hydrated look. So that's why I used this and I liked it. But if you just use this is fine. This is literally great primer. It could be used as primer. And then I used the NYX Dark Circle under my eyes. And then I used the Fenty Beauty in Sand and Tripping. Why do I do it this side? And then I used the Peach Pink Elizabeth Mott. And I love this blush. It's just like a kind of blush highlighter type of deal. So if you can see that, really pinky, peachy pink. That's what it's, peach pink. That's the name of it. And that's the color it looks at. Very light, very youthful look, I guess you can say. And then to top it off, and then I bronzed with the Natural Bronzer in Sun Bunny from Too Faced. So it looks like this. I'm sure this is not a new product. I'm sure many people have this. If you don't, I really do like it. It gives me, usually I just use one of their, I usually go with Chocolate Soleil Deep Matte Bronzer if I'm like doing like a full-on look or something like that. But because I am wanting to give myself like that extra glow because I am so sick and I am so like sallow looking, I guess that would be the right word, like kind of like a, you know, I have like this sick cast to me right now. I want to give myself another extra boost of healthy glow. So as you can see, the trend of this is all healthy glow. And then because, even though it's not my favorite, but it is, I'm going to use it up, is my IT Cosmetics 5-in-1 Volumizing Mascara. And then that's it. That's it. Oh, no. What I put underneath my eye is the Skin Smoothing Pressed Powder. I used my little Royal and Langle brush just to get it under there, just to set, you know, right under my eye so no creasing happens. I just do that as an extra step. You can leave it out. You can leave any of these steps out. You can put as much or as little as you want. But I know that when I'm rubbing my nose, it's not going to look all like if I have like 2 different skins on me. You know? Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. I hope you like this video. All right, that's it. Quick video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it helped you out to know what to do with your face when you get sick. All right? Okay, have a good day, you guys.